Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert game dominoes in Windows World. So this is very easy to type. So first you need to click on insert. Now click on symbols this last and click on more symbols. Now in this list just font select this one and character code is 1F030. You see this dominoes, just select it and click on insert. You see this all will be dominoes, just type it one by one. You see this all will be dominoes, just click on insert. Just select insert, select insert. Now type this all one by one. Just select and insert, select, insert, select and insert. Just select and insert. Now guys, you need to select this all, just one by one select and click on insert. You need to just insert this last option. This is last one. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.